Amazon's Prime Patal Lok, which is earlier titled as Jamna Par, is an Indian crime thriller web series that focuses on the investigation of four assassins trying to murder the senior journalist Sanjeev Mehra, who is the editor of one of the most prominent news channels. The investigation is led by Hathiram Chaudhary, the police inspector at Jamna Par. There are also mentions of some Hindu scripture references which quantifies the quality of the series. However, it is not similar to mythological masterpiece Asur, but is solely based on the investigation and the commentary of the society, state, class, community and gender. So I am gonna tell you what worked and what didn't for the series. What didn't? Some unnecessary commentaries. For me, generally, I don't feel like the storyline must add up something like this. However, in any series, the socio-political commentary used as a tool to engage the audience and build up the storyline faster. But at some points in this particular series, it didn't feel right as it gets little bit confusing. The commentary on mocking for religious supremacy or to showcase the difference between majority and minority. For instance, the owner of the news channel taunting his editor for being woke liberal. The story revolves around the investigation about the conspiracy of the senior journalists and their motive behind them. As the screenplay progresses, it showcases the various twists, the origins and the revelation events by events. The narration shifts from Jamna Par to Chitrakoot and Chitrakoot to Punjab. It is very interesting to see that the makers and writers have succeeded to tell a story with adjoining social discrimination of the lower caste and upper caste, the gender biased and religious supremacy. Sometimes it feels the standard quality of this flick is its real portrayal of Delhi police, the rural areas of UP and Punjab. Writer Sudeep Sharma along with his co-writers have managed to create a story that feels like where it is from. For instance, if there is Punjab side, we feel like it is from Punjab, and the actor nailing perfectly the accent of each state beautifully. Director also doesn't shy away from the brutality of the violence. There is a scene where the muscles have floated around the skull of the dead body hit smashed by the hammer. There are so many scenes filled with gruesome violence, particularly in a scene where the inspector hitting hardly the female accused with his legs. It was so terrifying to witness it. There is also a mob lynching scene that was beautifully executed. The cast. A big round of applause for the casting director for casting this amazing artist. Every actor has done their parts perfectly. Neeraj Kabi as senior cunning and arrogant journalist Sanjeev Mehra did his part exceptionally well. The actor who we have seen in Talwar, Sheep of Theseus and Sacred Games. The veteran has established himself as a performer the audiences root for. Talking about Abhishek Banerjee, the Vishal Tyagi or Hathoda Tyagi is a psychotic murderer who has done 45 murders with his hammer. It's terrific and chills down the spine. He will give you haunting and sleepless night after watching this. He has seen many characters delivering accents of Haryanvi, but nobody comes closer to Jaideep Ahlawat. I loved every single time whenever he comes on the screen. He carried away the whole series on his shoulder, as a father, as a friend, as a husband, as an inspector. He just brilliantly performed the variety of sets with so much ease and conviction. So write it down in the comments below what do you like.